Cooking shouldn't be this hard. These 35 must-have Amazon gadgets make everything faster and easier. Some of these completely remove the effort, especially gadget number 3. Mix like a pro with this 9-speed digital hand mixer. Powered by a 400W motor, it handles everything from light batters to heavy dough with ease. Includes 5 stainless steel attachments and a snap-on storage case for convenience. Powerful, compact, and perfect for everyday baking. Cook anywhere with the Techwood 1800W portable hot plate. Featuring dual burners, adjustable temperature, and sturdy handles, it fits a 7.5-inch cooktop for home, RV, or camping. Compatible with all cookware, this silver countertop stove delivers powerful, convenient, and versatile cooking wherever you need it. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Create healthy, delicious meals with the Aurocomb Vegetable Spiralizer. Featuring 4 built-in blades, it easily turns veggies into perfect noodles and spirals. Ideal for zucchini, carrots, and more, it's quick, easy, and perfect for making fresh, low-carb dishes at home. Extract fresh juice effortlessly with the Zuli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. This heavy-duty manual citrus press handles lemons, oranges, and more with ease. Made from durable cast iron with stainless steel components, it's easy to clean, professional quality, and perfect for fresh, flavorful juice every day. Keep your kitchen organized with the Ashin Dechen 360 degrees rotating silverware organizer. This silverware caddy features 7 slots and an intermediate drainage system with a cover, perfect for spoons, forks, and utensils. Rotatable for easy access, it's ideal for daily use, parties, or countertop organization, stylish, functional, and mess-free. Slice like a pitmaster with the Cutlux 12 brisket knife. Crafted from razor-sharp German steel, it delivers smooth, precise cuts for meat and barbecue. The ergonomic full-tang handle ensures comfort and control, while the included sheath keeps it protected. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts and serious cooks. Serve snacks in style with the Dowen 360 degrees rotatable serving tray. This 12-inch set features 7 removable, divided bowls perfect for chips, dip, fruits, veggies, candy, and more. Rotatable and easy to access, it's ideal for parties, gatherings, or everyday kitchen use, combining convenience and elegant presentation. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks, your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Protect your countertops with this 4-pack of silicone trivet mats. Heat-resistant and flexible, the 7-inch and 9 mats double as pot holders, jar openers, and hot pads. Durable and non-slip, they keep hot dishes safe while adding convenient, multifunctional use to your kitchen. Clean and drain with ease using the multifunctional drain basket. This 2024 fruit cleaning bowl set includes 2 clear containers with built-in strainers, perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, and catching food over the sink. Durable, practical, and mess-free, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Make outings easier with the Swanu Universal Stroller Snack Tray. Compatible with Nuna, Mockingbird, Bugaboo, and UPP strollers, it attaches to the bumper bar and features a cup holder and snack compartment. Perfect for babies and toddlers, it keeps snacks and drinks within reach. Ideal for Disneyland trips or everyday strolls. Enjoy fresh salads anywhere with this smart salad jar with side opening. Its leak-proof design keeps everything secure, while the built-in dressing cup keeps flavors fresh until you're ready. Easy lid-to-bowl access and dishwasher-safe convenience make it perfect for office, gym, travel, or picnics. Healthy eating made simple. Keep your kitchen clean with the Bergkoch 13-inch splatter screen. Made from durable stainless steel, it prevents oil and grease from splashing while cooking bacon, fried chicken, or popcorn. Fits most frying pans, easy to use, and perfect for safer, cleaner, mess-free cooking. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bare food processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with this rice airtight storage container. Designed to hold 3 to 5 pounds of rice, cereal, or dry foods, it features an airtight seal to lock in freshness and a built-in measuring cup for easy pouring. Made from BPA-free clear plastic, it's perfect for storing sugar, flour, or even pet food with convenience and style. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction ready, oven safe, and dishwasher safe, built for every modern kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Grill delicious kebabs easily with this air fryer skewer rack. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it holds 15 skewers and fits Instant Pot 8QT air fryers. Perfect for evenly cooking chicken, meat, and barbecue right in your kitchen. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Create endless frozen treats at home with the Ninja CRME Scoop Swirl Ice Cream Maker. With 13-in-1 programs, it makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more. The Scoop Swirl handle lets you customize texture and toppings, while 2 included 16-ounce pints make sharing easy. Creamy, smooth, and made your way every time. Keep your homemade goods fresh with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Fully automatic and compatible with all regular and wide-mouth mason jars, it seals jars airtight to preserve canned foods, sauces, and pantry staples. Sleek black design makes it easy, efficient, and essential for every kitchen. Cook fast and efficiently with the Chef Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Keep your fridge neat and efficient with the automatic rolling egg storage organizer. This space-saving holder neatly stores up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access. Perfect for refrigerators, cabinets, or countertops. Its sleek white design keeps your kitchen organized and hassle-free every day. Maximize small spaces with this slim 3-tier storage cabinet. Its narrow, movable design fits perfectly in tight spots, offering convenient storage for bathrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Keep essentials organized and within reach while adding a clean, space-saving touch to any room. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic nonstick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Keep your kitchen clean and your cooking smarter with the MyMoon Home Bacon Grease Container. This 48-ounce iron oil storage features a built-in strainer to filter impurities, while the non-stick interior ensures easy cleaning. The compact 5-inch design allows smooth, mess-free pouring, perfect for storing and reusing cooking oil with ease. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Cook with clarity using this 1.5L borosilicate glass cooking pot. Perfect for pasta, noodles, soup, or milk, it lets you watch your food as it cooks. Heat-resistant and stovetop safe, it includes a lid and brush for easy use and cleaning, simple, stylish, and practical for everyday cooking. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible, it holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Serve in style with this extra-large glass salad bowl set. Featuring a durable glass bowl, acacia wood base, and matching serving utensils, it's perfect for parties and family meals. Elegant, spacious, and practical, an ideal centerpiece for any kitchen or dining table. Quickly wash and dry your greens with the Desire Path Salad Spinner. Its large, BPA-free design easily handles lettuce, fruits, and vegetables, while the efficient squeezer and quick-dry system removes water fast. Perfect for salads, dumpling fillings, or any fresh produce, it's a must-have kitchen strainer for effortless prep. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef Electric Crepe Maker Griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood-pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Make fun, homemade treats with the Maiwoof Popsicle molds. This 10-cavity BPA-free silicone ice pop maker comes with sticks, bags, reusable sticks, a funnel, brush, and recipes, perfect for creating healthy, delicious popsicles at home. Create your own beautiful candles at home with the KQU Candle Making Kit. This all-in-one DIY kit includes premium wax, glass jars, and a wax melter, making it easy for adults to craft custom candles. Perfect for art, crafts, gifts, or relaxing at-home projects, it brings creativity and style to every space.